trading with just the basic indicators today with the volume profile VWAP delta combo and then just the built-in free NinjaTrader indicators. Got a 60-minute, got a 1-minute NQ, got a 1-minute ES, and I got a 5-minute MNQ, but order flow data for the NQ and the ES. It's 10 o'clock, February 9th. Just grabbed a little short there. I was trying to grab it up here while I was talking. I was waiting for that pivot level R2. I got into a long when we broke above VWAP. Not this candle, because we'd kind of been going back and forth above and below VWAP. We broke above about the same amount, so I wanted to see some more conviction, and this candle we broke even higher, and look at all this delta coming in. So got in along there. We had a bunch of delta coming in on the ES pre-market. First 10 minutes before the open, had a nice move down. We got below VWAP, kept going for a bit, made it down to the little edge of this volume profile bubble here. But this is definitely my base core setup with just the volume profile VWAP, bar delta pivots. Haven't taken too many trades today. Up 277 so far, 100%. Long trade, short trade. I just wanted to do some demonstrations on how I trade with my base setup and nothing else. Just came down to the 20, had a nice bounce up, 10 points. We were getting some nice wicks on these candles. First 15 minutes, signaling a possible move to the upside, which we got. Just got in on a little scalp short. These two candles were wicking. Look at the delta. There's no delta coming in. We're moving higher, but there's no delta follow through. We're at the top of this volume bubble here, but yeah, price is moving higher, delta is not. Now we're getting the rejection there. See, with these indicators, the volume profile, the VWAP, the delta, there's no gimmicks, there's no buy, sell arrows. It's just reading raw data, learning how to use that data to trade around key areas. So you can use these to actually learn how to trade instead of relying on an indicator to tell you when to buy or sell, which I think is extremely important. Even though technically you're relying on these indicators to trade, it's different. It's different. Some other ways you can trade this setup. See, we've got a bunch of positive delta coming up right to this pivot point R2. So you don't want to buy right into it, but if you want to wait for the break, you've got all this positive delta. So if you wait for the break, let's say you got in at 56, it went up over 10 points right there. Nice little scalp opportunity. Same kind of rules down here. We got a bunch of negative delta coming in, but we're coming up right to the 20. I don't want to sell into the 20. I want to wait for a break if I'm going to go short. We're still above VWAP. Trend's been more up this morning. We start rejecting, we start wicking off of the 20. Delta starts drying up, and then positive delta comes in. We start to get this move up. We broke a little bit above R2. It's been acting as support now. It's after 10:30 now, up 300 bucks, 100%. We're at the all-time highs. So NINZA is having a 55% off sale, and if you use the code MonkeyMan, you get even more percentage off. Apex is having an 80% off sale. Half price resets. Lots of good things going on. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great weekend.